Greetings, families. My name is Leah Simon, the Naturally You Coach, and this is Golden Sea Moss from St. Lucia. Now, we all know the benefits of sea moss and how important it is for us to include it in our diet on a daily basis. As a nutritionist, it's one of the things that I recommend to almost all of the clients that I work with. But this is actually ocean farmed sea moss. So it's grown in the ocean. It still picks up all the nutrients from the movement of the water. But now I also have the purple wild crafted sea moss, and this is the one that's actually grown on the seabed and pulled up from the seabed by the divers. So this is what it looks like in its dried state. When it's soaked, this has been soaked for about 4 hours. It massively increases in size as it rehydrates. And then it creates this amazing thick gel. This is just half of the gel that it's produced. And both of these are now available on my website, thenaturallyyoucoach.com/sea moss, where you can also find out more about the benefits of sea moss and how to make the gel. Take care, stay healthy.